Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo, selamat malam.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you guys today?
I'm
I'm
great.
doing
How about you?
well. A little bit tired.
Yeah, you guys look good tonight. So, how many people here? Only 9. We're missing a lot of people today. Or I don't know, there are only like Miss Novia won't won't make it tonight. Miss Nurhalima is probably going to be late to the class, but I don't know about the others because they haven't said anything to me yet. Okay, but that's fine. Okay, so as I told you before, that today we're going to be discussing about, what is it, at the doctor's office. Apa sih at the doctor's office?
Di kantornya dokter?
Ya, di kantor dokter atau misalnya lagi di klinik gitu ya.
Yeah.
Klinik atau di rumah sakit, at the doctor's office. Why did I choose this topic? Because we are in this pandemic and some people just go to the hospitals and having some problems and they're just trying to tell the doctors what they have, what the problems and stuff. So I'm just gonna talk a little bit about what mostly to be discussed in the doctor's office or when you talk to the doctor. Jadi karena lagi COVID kan, bahkan sebelum COVID kan pasti ada yang ke rumah sakit untuk konsultasi segala macam kalau lagi sakit. So I just want to give some some new vocabularies about namanya penyakit-penyakit gitu ya, penyakit-penyakit sederhana, nggak sederhana sih, maksudnya yang lebih sering banyak diucapkan oleh orang-orang gitu.
Dizzy ya, Miss.
Kenapa?
Kayak dizzy gitu-gitu.
Yeah, the diseases. You guys can open page 27. It's on the everyday conversation. Okay, I'm gonna share the screen here. Okay, can you guys see it? Bisa dilihat?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
What? Nah, di sini there are 2 people, the doctor and the patient. Her name is Kathy. So Kathy is visiting the doctor because she has some problem, like a bad problem and a headache. Okay.
Sorry, Miss, maybe problem.
Yeah, probably everybody's mic for a second. Okay, so here's the conversation. You guys can start the conversation with a small talk as always, like hi, how are you doing today, like as the doctor, or you can just do the greeting first to the doctor, but that's up to you. But mostly it would be the doctor first to make the small talk, like hey, good evening, hey, good morning, or good afternoon, how are you doing, what can I do, not really what can I do for you, but you can just go to like hi, how are you doing, that's it. And I'm doing pretty good or I'm not doing really well. Kalau sakit biasanya bisa disebutkan dengan I'm not doing well. Saya merasa nggak enak badan atau lagi sakit. I'm not doing well. Yeah, let me. Okay. When you wanna say something like lagi nggak enak badan nih gitu. I'm not feeling well. Gitu kok. How are you doing? And you can't say like I'm good or I'm doing well. Kalau cerita kalian lagi sakit gitu ya, kalian bisa bilangnya I'm not feeling well atau I'm not feeling good, I'm not feeling great gitu bisa. And then the doctor would ask, what seems to be the problem? what seems to be the problem, ada apa masalahnya, atau biasanya langsung nanya, what's the problem, juga boleh, or what's going on, juga boleh, or what's happening, juga bisa. And then the patient said, well, I have a bad cough and a sore throat. I also have a headache. Well, so, boleh juga pakai so atau well. Jadi kayak gimana ya kalau bahasa Indonesianya? Kenapa? Gini loh, well, gitu. I have that. Bukan artinya well-nya di sini seperti di sini ya, yang di I'm not feeling well. Well di sini kayak yang gini loh, gini. Oke, gitu. I have a bad cough. I have. Maksudnya I have di sini memang artinya tidak not literally memiliki, tapi kayak memang dia tuh ada nih penyakitnya itu gitu, bad cough. Nah, cough ini apa sih? Adalah batuk, ya. Bad cough itu artinya berarti batuknya tuh udah buruk gitu, udah buruk banget yang selalu batuk-batuk. Ya. Nah, berarti kalau bad cough ini batuk, bukan dibacanya chog atau no ya. This it pronounces as cough. And a sore throat. Throat, ini cara ngomong throat-nya lidahnya agak digigit. Throat, not throat. Sore throat ini artinya sakit tenggorokan. Throat ini adalah tenggorokan. Ya, bagian tenggorokan ini namanya throat. Nah, kalau sore ini sakit. Sometimes people would say, my throat is sore. Gitu, itu juga bisa. Atau I have a sore throat. Saya juga have a headache. Saya juga sakit kepala gitu. Atau bisa bilangnya I got a headache, I've got a headache. Atau I have a headache juga boleh. Ini yang lebih gampang aja. I have a bad cough and a sore throat. I also have a headache. Saya batuk nih gitu. Batuk saya nggak mereda. Pokoknya makanya disebutnya bad cough. And a sore throat, dan juga tenggorokan saya sakit. Kepala saya pun sakit. I also have a headache. Nah, how long, berapa lama, have you had, berapa lama kamu sudah these symptoms, kamu sudah merasakan atau punya symptoms. What is symptoms? Gejala. How long have you had these symptoms? Sejak kapan? Sudah berapa lama kamu punya gejala ini? About. Nah, I think you have learned this before about artinya sekitar about 3 days now. Sudah kurang lebih gitu ya. About itu bisa kurang lebih artinya. Kurang lebih 3 hari sampai hari ini. And I'm really tired too. Dan saya juga sangat lelah, capek gitu ya, letih. Terus juga, it sounds, terdengarnya like you've got the flu. Sepertinya kamu lagi flu gitu. Kamu dapat flu, you've got the flu. Nah, di sini take aspirin, minumlah aspirin. For every 4 hours, setiap every 4 hours, 4 jam, setiap 4 jam, and get plenty of rest. Dan beristirahatlah, get plenty of. Maksudnya itu banyak ya. Plenty itu cukup atau banyak. Rest, itu istirahat. Jadi, ambillah ini, maksudnya minum obat aspirin selama setiap 4 jam, dan beristirahatlah dengan cukup gitu. Make sure, what is make sure? Make sure you drink lots of fluids. It's hard to explain this. Make sure itu kurang lebih kayak pastikan kamu minum banyak air. Maksudnya air di sini drink lots of fluids itu water ya, mineral water. Nah, call me, hubungi saya if you are still next week. Hubungi saya kalau kamu masih sakit lagi. Gitu. Okay, thanks. And then the doctor could say, you're welcome, you're very welcome. Have a good day, bisa boleh gitu. Get better soon, get well soon, gitu kan. suka ada ini kan kalau misalnya ada yang sakit biasanya suka bilang GWS, get well soon. Itu kan dari kata singkatannya itu. Get well soon, GWS, GWS, get well soon atau get well very soon gitu. Jadi always start with the small talk first, ya. Pertamanya small talk di atas ini, kayak misalnya, hi, how are you doing? Oh, I'm not feeling well, doctor. What seems to be the problem? Well, I have a bad cough and a sore throat. I also have a headache. And how long have you had these symptoms? About 3 days now, and I'm really tired too. It sounds like you've got the flu. Take aspirin for every 4 hours and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink lots of fluids. Call me if you're still sick next week. Okay, thanks. Nah, dalam sekarang ini kan because there are 2 people, you're going to be practicing only 2 people only, and you can change this, the diseases, ya, penyakitnya bisa kalian ganti dengan penyakit yang lain. Terus juga waktunya misalnya about 3 days now, kalian bisa ganti dengan for a week, it's been a week juga boleh ya, atau bilangnya it's been 3 days juga bisa. Nah, kira-kira penyakit apa lagi sih yang suka ada disebutkan selain headache, a sore throat, a bad cough, bisa juga nih seringnya toothache.
Fever.
Ya. Kenapa?
Stomachache.
Ya, stomachache, toothache. Ya, toothache itu sakit gigi. Terus ada stomachache. Kenapa?
Gastric.
Ya, stomachache. Stomachache. Benar nggak tulisannya?
Ya,
Kira-
Miss.
Yakin?
Yes, betul.
Tulisannya seperti ini, stomachache.
Abis
Cara bacanya itu stomachache. Ya, ini dia ya, stomach. Terus ada ache. Jadi kalau ininya sendiri nih, kalau dipisah, ini disebutnya ache. Ya, jadi kalau digabung stomachache. Nah, stomachache ini adalah sakit perut. Sakit perut itu bisa macam-macam ya, sakit perut. Perutnya sakit gitulah. Terus lagi ada tadi sore throat. Ada ya fever itu demam. Terus what else?
Gastric.
Something. Apa?
Dizzy.
Gastric.
Maksudnya lambung
Dizzy.
ya?
Ya, mah.
Oh iya, ma. Gastrics atau ma.
Yes.
Terus apalagi misalnya a headache, sore throat, cough, headache, toothache, stomachache, or earache. Kalau sakit telinga, earache. Jadi earache, ya. Sakit telinga gitu. Oke, ini yang ini dulu aja. Ada toothache, stomachache, fever, gastrics, and earache, and bad cough here, and a sore throat, and a headache. Jadi you can change the diseases. Penyakitnya bisa diganti. And how long have you had these symptoms? Also, you can change it. The time. Waktunya juga bisa diganti. Jadi misalnya it's been a week, it's been 2 weeks, it's been 2 days, it's been 5 days, gitu. Ya. And then always ends with okay, thank you. Misalnya have a nice day, get well soon, gitu. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, so how many people here?
13.
13. Okay. Oh, it's not even a half. Oh, only a half.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm probably gonna make a little bit more room. So, okay, one more thing. You guys can actually share the screen to your partner. Kalau misalnya kalian ribet nih ya, punya 2 device atau dari handphone, atau dari handphone. Kalau yang pakai laptop itu bisa share screen. sebenarnya dari handphone juga bisa, but I don't know how it really works on your phone. But kalau dari laptop itu bisa langsung di tengah-tengahnya itu di paling bawah ada tulisan New Share Screen. Nah itu bisa diklik. Nanti ada muncul ada select a window or an application that you want to share. Jadi nanti aplikasi apa maksudnya bagian apa nih yang mau di-share ke temannya gitu. Tapi harus sudah dibuka dulu materinya baru bisa di-share. Gitu kalau yang misalnya mau share screen. Oke, sekarang I'm going to break up the rooms. So 13. I'm gonna make it into 6, 7, probably 8. There probably will be more people coming. Or maybe 9. Okay. Now you guys can join.
Okay.
Okay, now you guys can join.
Miss,
Do you guys have any question?
saya baru masuk tadi.
Oh, baru masuk. Iya,
Oh, oh.
tentang yang ini, at the doctor's office.
Mm-mm.
Halaman 27.
Ya udah aku buka.
Kalau mau share screen bisa ya, sudah ya?
Sudah bisa ya?
I'll be back in a minute.
Oke, makasih Miss. Thank you Miss.
And then doctor say, how are you? And then
I'm
Ila,
okay.
yes,
Good evening, doctor. How are you doing? No,
I'm doing well. And how? Yes, no problem. I'm doing well. And how about you?
I'm not doing well.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, I have a bad cough and a sore.
I'm sorry. Can we change? Use other. Maybe you can use fever or toothache or headache or stomach.
Terus atau ini kan
Oke, ada Miss Desi. Kita belum mulai, Miss.
That's fine.
Can ready, Miss. We can.
Take your
kita
time.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Ayo, Miss Lareta.
Let's
We
go.
can start. Hi, good evening, doctor. How are you doing?
Hi, good evening too. I'm doing well. What seems to be a problem? May I help you?
Well, I have a stomach ache and also have headache. Itu nggak sih?
Boleh. How long you have had the apa ya bacanya itu symptoms
Symptoms.
symptoms
Yang kegigit yang ujungnya tadi.
symptoms. Okay.
About one weeks apa week, Miss?
Kalau setahu aku
What?
sih
Yeah.
week.
1 week or a week.
About 1 week now, and I'm really tired too.
It sounds like you got apa ya, sakit kepala sama sakit perut.
Aspirin bisa nggak sih? Bisa ya? Kepala Panadol kan? Tapi kan itu
Iya,
warung. Kita di Eropa masa ada Panadol?
Udah mulai ya?
No, just take your time.
Oh, oke, Miss. Lagi susun, Miss.
Okay.
About berapa hari kita buat cara? About
1 week kali.
1 week ya? Oke, 1 week. About 1 week. 1 week now. About 1 week now. And I'm
really tired.
lemas apa ya bahasa Inggrisnya? Lemas apa ya? Lemas.
Week.
Week ya?
Lemas week.
Week. I'm
Ya.
weak. I'm weak too. Oke, aku lemas sekali. I'm very weak ya. Saya sangat lemas. I'm very weak. Oke. Dokter say. Obatnya apa ya? Oh, obatnya ini ya. Apa tuh obatnya namanya?
Like you, for
Paracetamol every 4 hours and get plenty of rest.
make sure you
Drink of fluids. Call me if you're still sick next week.
next week.
Sama aja deh, itu cuma diganti fever sama paracetamol kan?
Iya. Terus sama ini
Terus
kan
yang di
katanya
Yang di atasnya.
Oh,
Dokternya
kalau
bilang,
di atasnya kayak gini aja. Hi, how are you doing today? Jadi si pasiennya jawab, I'm not feeling well. Baru ini kan, kayak ini kan bisa di ini what seems to be problem, atau kan kayak gini aja. What a
Iya.
problem? Itu kan lebih singkat kan.
Iya.
Nah, jadi yang diganti tadi kan I have point
and my body temperature is hot.
yeah. I have
To eat. Bisa juga ya.
Don't be late. Make sure don't be late your dinner and your lunch. Your lunch and your dinner. Bisa
Your
tuh.
eat aja lah, your eat aja. Jadi kan eat itu
Your eat aja lah, makan itu kan udah tahu lah ya kan, Kak.
Ya udah
Itu
coba
dia.
yuk.
Obatnya apa? Aspirin juga.
Enggak lah, Proma. Obat mah apa sih? Kalau janganlah Proma. Itu
Proma lah.
kayak kita beli
Proma.
di kesini kan.
Miss Desi udah datang.
Just go ahead. Keep going.
Make sure you don't be late. Don't be late. lunch and dinner.
Make sure you have a
Dah,
What seems to be a problem?
udah gitu.
I'm not feeling well. Oh, udah.
Udah.
Udah. Siapa jadi dokternya sama Katie-nya nih? Kok bertiga ya?
Rija dulu dokter ya?
Take turns.
Saya gantian.
Ganti ya. Dulu
Ayo
dokternya ya.
Katie-nya ya. Ayo Katie-nya.
Ayo Katie ya.
Ah,
Hi, how are you? How are you doing?
I'm not feeling well.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, I have a nausea and also have a headache.
I also have.
How long have you had this? How long have you had this gimana Miss baca ini Miss? Symptoms. Gejala Miss ya?
Yeah.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About 3 days now. About 3 days now. And I'm really tired too.
It sounds like you have got the gastrics. Take Promac and make sure don't be late lunch and dinner. Call me if you're still sick next week.
Okay, thanks doctor.
Okay, thanks. Gila.
Yeah, okay, thanks
It
doctor.
will sound.
Yang mana?
Apa penyakit?
Aku ngeblank banget ya, baru banget masuk nih, ya Allah. Gimana? Ini masih diskusi itu yang mau digantinya. Yang ganti nggak usah susah-susah, ini aja penyakitnya sama waktunya. Yang about 3 days now itu bisa diganti. Iya, nggak usah yang lain-lain nggak usah. Yang penting ada awalnya, ada small talk, sama endingsnya misalnya ditambahkan have a nice day, get well soon gitu. Get well. Kalau ini tadi kan udah, kalau yang tadi dikasih contohnya udah sempat masuk kan? Ada stomachache, toothache, earache. Udah terakhir. Itu nama-nama penyakitnya yang bisa dipakai. What seems to be the problem? Aku mau jadi dokternya ya, banyak banget itu. Kan gantian, you will take turn. Iya. Oke. Bismillah. Ayo Kak.
Jadi aku jadi Katie.
Ya, iya deh. Aku daftarnya dulu ya. Oke. Small talk-nya gimana? Awalnya dokternya dulu apa itu dulu? Udah ya? Langsung aja Pak ya, Miss ya? Gimana? Small talk-nya pakai apa? Take time. So, you will have another 5 minutes to practice. And we all going back to the main rooms and you will perform in front of your people, in front of your friends. Kalau kemarin-kemarin kan ditesnya per grup ya, per room. And now you will be performing in front of your other friends. Jadi nanti semuanya ke main room, penilaiannya itu di main room itu. Gitu. Oh gitu. Yeah. So just take your time. Masih take your time. Nggak usah buru-buru gitu. Masih latihan aja. Oh iya siap.
Yes. Gitu, paracetamol dan
Take
panadol aja ya.
Paracetamol and panadol because there is flu there. Yes.
Oke.
For 4 hours. 4 hours.
4
Yes.
hours. Yes.
And get plenty to rest. Make sure
Yes.
you drink a lot
Drink
of
lots.
fluid.
Yes.
Call me if you are still sick next week.
Okay.
Get well soon. Okay,
Yes.
thank you
Okay.
so much, Doc. Like that, yes. We try. You
Habis, Kak Miss. Habis, oke, thank you so much, Dok. Terus apa lagi jawabnya, Kathy?
You can say, get well soon, have a nice day.
you.
Sudah mulai.
Excuse me, Miss.
Just take your time.
Apa bacanya ini? Yang mana tadi itu?
Symptoms?
Yang setelah oke, thank you. Kathy jawab oke, thank you so much, Dok. Terus lanjutannya apa?
Bisa
Nggak
boleh
usah.
ngomong get well soon, dokternya boleh ngomong itu, atau have a nice day.
Get well.
Gitu.
Enggak, setelah Kathy-nya bilang terima kasih sama dokternya. Oke,
Ya.
thank you so much, Dok, gitu.
Ya, itu dokternya bisa bilang have a nice day atau get well soon.
Oh, gitu. Terakhirnya ya dokternya ya. Berarti yang percakapan terakhirnya dokter ya?
Ya.
Oke.
Boleh gabung kan, Dok? After call me if you are still sick next week. Get well soon. Nah, gabung. Boleh, Miss?
Boleh.
Nah, terakhir
Boleh.
Kathy
Berarti
jawab.
langsung Kathy-nya cuma ya.
Yes.
Langsung Kathy-nya cuma jawab oke, thank you so much, Dok, gitu aja ya.
Ya.
Yes.
Ya.
Oke.
Oke, kita coba. Saya jadi siapa? Yuk, Ila jadi Kathy.
Oke.
Yuk, Kak.
Sarah duluan.
Ya. Assalamualaikum. Hello, good morning, doctor. How are you doing?
I'm great. How about you? Waalaikumsalam.
I'm not feeling well.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, I have a stomachache and gastric.
How long have you had this symptom?
About 1 week now, and I'm very weak too.
Take a Promac every 6 hours and take a rest. Make sure you drink a lot of fluid. Call me if you are sick next week.
Okay, doctor, thanks. I wish I get well soon.
Okay, Allah blessing you healthy.
Amin, you too, doctor. Assalamualaikum. Thank you, doctor.
Waalaikumsalam. Kak Desi udah masuk nggak? Belum ya?
Udah tuh.
Udah ya?
Take turns. Gantian. Nanti performnya you will be performing in front of your other friends in the main room.
Karena Kak ya?
Ya.
Kak jadi-
Assalamualaikum. Jadi kakak jadi Katie ya?
Ya.
Don't be late.
Don't be late. Itu lagi ya.
Don't be late. Lunch and dinner. Nah, siapa nih? Nisa sama Ayu. Ada Miss Nisi.
Ya, Nisa. Mbak Ayu ya sama Kak Nisa ya.
Ya.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, doctor. I'm not doing well.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, I have a bad cough and sore throat. I also have a headache.
How long have you had these symptoms?
It's been 2 days.
It sounds like you've got fever. Take aspirin and paracetamol every 3 times a day, and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink lots of fluids. Call me if you still sick next week.
Okay, thank you, doctor. Thank you very much.
Okay, get well soon.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ada lagi. Gimana lagi? Lagi kita?
Oh ya udah boleh. Aku jadi dokter, Lisa jadi Katie.
Oke. Aduh, sakit apa ya? Oke.
Oh, sama aja sama
Gigi
yang
aja Kak, sakit gigi.
Hah?
Sama
Sakit
banget.
gigi.
Sakit gigi.
Ah,
Tuh, apa? Gimana bacanya sakit gigi?
Toothpick. Toothpick dan
Toothpick.
key.
Toothpick.
Mm-mm.
Ah.
But I don't know the medicine. What the medicine for today?
Medicine apa? Ini ya, aduh, sakit.
Like
Paracetamol sama enggak? Enggak lah ya.
Salah, paracetamol.
Bisa sih.
Itu kan cuma meredakan aja, nggak menyembuhkan. Suruh cabut gigi lah.
Oh, extracted tooth. Ya, extracted tooth.
Kamu harus cabut gigi. Geraham kamu harus mencabut gigi geraham kamu. Terus gimana lagi? Gimana nih?
Ya udah, for a while you take a paracetamol and you have to extracted tooth. That's right. Bener nggak?
Gimana? You got
For a while you take paracetamol
Paracetamol.
and then you have to extracted tooth. That's right, Miss, or no?
cabut gigi, cabut gigi.
Tapi
Ya
kan
udah,
dia
ayo,
yang giginya Kak.
Hah? Apa?
Ya udah, ayo coba. Udah kan? Coba ya.
Tunggu ya, tunggu. Tunggu. Pasa nengok Google Translate. Oke, udah.
Udah.
Mm-mm.
Aku jadi dokter ya.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm not good. Sorry. I'm not feeling well, doctor.
What's going on?
Well, I have bad toothache
Oh, how long have
and
you?
also have headache.
Oh, how long have you had this symptom?
About 3 days now, and I'm really dizzy.
Oh, it sounds like you got a toothache, and then you for a while you take a paracetamol, and then you have to extract your teeth.
Expect. Kayak mana S apa? Take paracetamol and then suaranya.
To extract your teeth.
Yeah.
Halo? Halo enggak? Ayo Kak Putri.
gastric pains. Okay.
Berarti udah tinggal latihan aja.
Oke. Kak Putri nih dulu deh. Katie-nya.
Iya.
Dokternya. Aku
Iya.
Katie-nya.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, I have a bad stomachache and gastric.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About 3 days now, and I'm really tired too.
It sounds like you get it. It sounds like you've got a gastric flu, gastric pains. Take antacida every 4 hours and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink a lot of fluids. Call me if you're still sick next week.
Okay, thanks.
Get well soon. Biasanya gitu aja.
Ya. Tapi ini juga, coba gantian. Gantian ya. What seems to be the problems? Kak. Oh iya, antacida. Typo. Oke, yuk.
Well, I have a bad stomachache and gastric.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About 3 days now, and I'm really tired too.
It sounds like you got the gastric pains. Take antacida every 4 hours and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink a lot of fluids. Tell me if you're still sick next week.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, get well soon. Aduh, aku tulis dulu. Takut lupa. Dulunya jadi gastric pain.
It's
yes. Okay, continue.
Udah mulai.
Lanjut.
It sounds like you've got the flu. Take Panadol and paracetamol every 4 hours and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink lots of fluids. Call me if you're still sick next week.
Get well soon.
Get well, son.
Nah. Okay, thank you so much, Doc.
You're welcome.
Yes.
You're welcome, Katie.
Kita ulang lagi.
Yes.
Saya jadi dokter lagi.
Yes. Kelihatan paracetamol, aspirinnya.
Ya,
besar
ayo.
banget tuh.
Katie lagi, Dad. Katie lagi apa, dokter? Misila?
Terserah lah.
Ya, sembara. You Katie, I'm dokter ya.
Oke, aku berarti ya.
Ya.
Oke, Bismillah, mudah-mudahan gak ada yang salah nih sekarang.
Ya.
Good evening, Doc. How are you doing?
Good evening, Katie. I'm doing well. And how are you doing?
I'm not doing well, Doc.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, I have a fever. I also have a headache.
How long have you had the symptoms?
About 4 days now, and I am really tired too.
It sounds like you have got the flu. Take paracetamol, Panadol every 4 hours and then get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink a lot of fluids. Call me if you are still sick next week. Get well soon.
Okay, thank you so much, Dok.
You are welcome.
Lumayan.
The doctor is because of far and then a lot of tension here, doctor. Yes. Kenapa?
Okay, it's show time. We're waiting for the others in 5 seconds.
Miss, aku tadi sama itu Miss Desi.
Kenapa?
Aku tadi satu room sama Miss Desi, sama Miss Melati. Kok di sini?
Yeah, so everybody's gonna be here in the main room to perform the conversation. Jadi performnya di sini, in front of your friends.
Oh, I see. Aduh, aku kira kenapa Miss tadi?
It doesn't have to be at the first group. It could be whoever wants to be the first. Who wants to be the first group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6?
Sesuai room aja, Miss.
Miss
Ayo.
mana?
Jangan sesuai room dong. Nanti yang room paling akhir enak dong. Terakhir. No.
Miss Lareta, yuk kita coba yuk.
Oke.
Ayo Sarah kita coba.
Mana Miss Lareta tadi mana? Pede.
Jadi which group? 3?
3.
Okay, Miss Lareta and Miss Safrina.
Yes, Miss.
In
Okay.
this room, Miss?
Can you turn on your camera, or are you still on the way?
I'm still on the way. I'm on SPBU.
Okay. Let's hear it.
Okay. Let's go, Miss Safrina. I'm as a doctor.
Oh yeah. Hello, good evening, doctor. How are you doing?
Hi, Miss Safrina. I'm doing well. What the problem? May I help you?
Yeah, I have a stomach ache and also have headache.
Oh, okay. How long have you had the symptoms?
About 1 week ago, and I'm really tired too.
Oh, okay. It sounds like you've got the diarrhea. I will give you aspirin for your headache, and I will give you Enterostop for your stomachache, and you can drink it every 4 hours and get rest and get plenty of rest, and make sure you drink lots of water. Then call me if you are still sick next week, okay?
Okay, doctor. Thank you so much for helping me.
It's okay, no problem. I hope you get well soon. Have a great day.
Have a great day too.
Okay, that's great. Give applause for Miss Larita and Miss Afrina. That's really nice ending. That's what I was talking about. Always end something with have a nice day, get well soon, gitu ya. Diakhiri dengan itu, jangan cuman hanya thank you. Karena kalau misalnya kita habis dari dokter, biasanya dokternya bilang kan semoga cepat sembuh ya, gitu. Atau jangan lupa makan, dan yang pokoknya inilah kira-kira kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia tuh apa sih di akhirannya, tinggal di translatein ke bahasa Inggris. Okay, next, that was room 3 or group 3. Now who next? Who's next? Wants to be the second group? Who's ready? Siapa kira-kira yang sudah siap? Miss Lia, are you ready? You're still muted. Your mic is still muted.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
I'm ready with Miss Ila.
Okay. Okay, let's hear it.
Hello. Miss Ila.
Where is she?
Halo. Miss Ila.
Miss Ila, mic-nya masih di mute.
Ya, sudah.
Okay.
Yes. I'm Kathy. Yes. You
Okay.
be doctor. Yes.
Okay.
Good evening, doc. How are you doing?
Good evening, Kathy. Good evening, Leah. I'm doing well. How are you doing?
I'm not doing well.
What seems to be a problem?
Well, I have fever. I also have headache.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About 4 days now, and I'm really tired too.
Okay. It sounds like you've got the flu. Take paracetamol and Panadol every hours and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink lots of fluids. Call me if you're still sick next week. Get well soon.
Okay, thank you so much, Doc.
Okay,
You're
good.
welcome. You're welcome, Leah.
Okay, take turns. Take turns. Bergantian sekarang.
Bergantian. Sekarang Miss Lia.
Yes. Miss Ila jadi dokter. Good
Okay.
evening. Oh, ya.
Ayo.
You first ya. Miss
Ya.
di dokter. Miss Ila first.
Good evening. Good. Ila kan?
Yes.
Good evening, Doc. How are you doing?
Good evening, Miss Ila. I'm doing well, and how are you doing?
I'm not doing well, Doc.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, I have a fever and also have headaches.
How long have you had the symptoms?
About 4 days now, and I am really tired too.
It sounds like you have got flu. Take paracetamol, Panadol every 4 hours, and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink lots of fruits. Call me if you are still sick next week. Get well soon.
Okay, thank you so much, Doc.
You are welcome.
Okay, give applause for your other teammates.
Thank
Okay,
you,
that's really nice. That's really nice. Okay, so who's next? Siapa yang selanjutnya? Who's gonna be the next group? Who wants to try? Not try. Who wants to perform? Siapa sekarang? That was group 2 from Miss Lia dan Miss Ila. Group 3, group 2 now. Group 4. Who's group 4?
Yes, me.
Okay.
And Mrs. Sarah.
Sarah and Sarah. Okay. Oh, you guys in a group in the same group again. Okay.
Oke. Sarah Katie-nya atau dokter?
Sarah Katie dulu ya.
Oke.
Assalamualaikum. Hello, good morning, doctor. How are you doing?
Waalaikumsalam. I'm great. How about you?
I'm not feeling well.
What seems to be problem?
Well, I have a stomachache and gastric.
How long have you had this symptom?
About 1 week, and I haven't sorry.
That's okay.
Nggak tahu lah. About 1 week. I'm very weak too.
Take a medicine Promac every 6 hours and take a rest. Make sure you drink lot of fluid. Call me if you are sick next week.
Okay, doctor. Thanks. I wish I get well soon.
Okay, Allah blessing you healthy.
Amin. You too, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, now take turns. Bergantian.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, doctor. Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. And how about you?
I'm not feeling well, doctor.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, I have a stomachache and gastric.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About 1 week now, and I haven't not appetite, and I'm a weak too.
Take a medicine. Maybe you can try a Promac every 6 hours and take a rest. Make sure you drink lot of fluids. Call me if you are still sick next week.
Okay, doctor. I wish I get well soon.
Okay, Allah blessing you're healthy.
Amin. You too, doctor. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, nice. Give applause.
Nice.
That's really nice. Allah blesses you. Itu juga bagus. Apa ya kalau bahasa Indonesianya itu semoga
Tuhan memberkati.
Ya, Tuhan memberkati atau God bless you. It's the same thing. Okay, next that was group 4. Now group 6. Let's hear it from group 6. Who are in the group 6? I think it was Miss Liza. And who else? Miss Namira? Who was in the group 6?
Liza sama tadi Ayu sama Nisa, Miss.
Oh, yeah, Miss Ayu, Miss Nisa, and Miss Liza. Is Miss Liza here? I can't see her. Aku nggak bisa lihat Miss Liza nih. Okay, so since she's not here yet, so we're moving to group 5. Who is in the who are in the group 5? Miss Melati and
Namira.
Namira. Okay. Let's hear it.
Oke. Miss Melati jadi dokter ya?
Ya.
Oke.
Hello, Namira. How it's going?
I'm not feeling well.
What's the problem?
So I have a shivering and my body temperature is hot. I also have a headache.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About two days now. I'm really trying to.
It sounds like you've got the fever. Take paracetamol every 4 hours and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink of fluids. Call me if you're still sick next week.
Okay, thank you, Doc.
Get well soon.
Happy nice day.
Thank you.
Okay, take turns.
Hi, Doc. Hi, Doc Melati. Hi, Dr. Melati. How are you today? How are you going today?
Hello, doctor. I'm feeling not good today.
What a problem?
I have a shivering and my body temperature is hot. I also have headache.
How long have you this sometime?
It's been 2 days and I'm really tired too.
It sounds like you get the fever. Take paracetamol every hour and get clean of rate. Make sure you drink lots of fluids. Call me if you're still sick next week.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
Take turns.
Get well soon.
Have a nice day, doctor.
Okay, nice. Take turns. Have you guys took the turn? Have you guys taken the take turn? Sudah bergantian belum? Belum kan?
Sudah kayaknya tadi.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. That was really. I'm sorry. I was tripping. I'm sorry, Kat. That's nice. That was really nice. Soalnya tadi bingung pas Miss Namira ngomong get well soon, Miss Melati juga ngomong get well soon. Jadi tadi siapa yang
Iya, benar, iya.
I forgot. I was a little bit tripping. Okay, good. That was really nice. Next, let's hear it from group 1. Yep, Miss Lilis and Putri.
Yes, Miss. Bentar. Ya, Kak Putri.
Seems to be the problem.
Well, I have a stomachache and gastric.
How long have you had?
About 3 days now, and I'm really tired too.
It sounds like the gastric pain. Take Antas 4 times per day and of rest. Make sure you drink lots of fluids. Call me if you're still.
Okay, thanks, Doc.
Okay, and get well soon.
Thank you. Once gantian ya.
Yeah, take turns.
Hi, what seems to be the problem?
A bad stomachache and gastric.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About now, and really.
It sounds like you got the gastric pains. Take antacid every 4 times per day and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink lots of food. Tell me if you're still sick next week. Oh, Putri putus-putus sorry.
Iya, Miss Putri putus nih.
Iya, suaranya putus.
Okay. Ya, udah Miss.
Okay, that's okay. Last for group 1. Okay,
Maaf ya.
That was fun because you guys came late, ya kan? Datangnya juga agak terlambat, jadi mungkin agak miss ya informasinya about you have to make a little bit small talk at the beginning. Selalu buat small talk di awal seperti like how are you doing, and when kalau misalnya lagi kita lagi berkunjung ke dokter, pasti kan ada lagi nggak enak badan atau gimana gitu ya. You can say I'm not feeling good, or I'm not feeling well, I'm not doing great, I'm not doing well, gitu bisa seperti itu. But that was nice. That was really good because you can change the disease to the gastric pains. Nah, kalau gastricnya sendiri itu sebenarnya artinya perut ya, or stomach. Tapi kalau misalnya sakit perutnya itu bisa bilangnya gastritis or gastric pains juga bisa. Gitu. We'll discuss it later. Now, next, the last one, it's gonna be group 6. The 3 people. Yang ada 3 orang. Okay, let's hear it. Miss Liza, Miss siapa lagi tadi?
Lisa.
Oh ya.
Sama Miss Ayu.
Lisa.
Kita dulu ya Kak ya, Miss Nisa sama Ayu ya.
Ya, bergantian ya.
Siapa dulu? Nisa sama?
Ayu aja dulu, Nisa sama Ayu. Kayaknya sakit agak apa ya kalau Ayu apa?
Nisa sama Ayu.
Iya.
Oke.
Kak Nisa mana?
Yeah,
Nisa
I'm here.
kan? Oh ya, kakak tadi dokternya ya?
Iya, boleh.
Kakak dokter Aiket ya.
Okay. Good afternoon, Miss. How are you doing?
Good afternoon, doctor. I'm well. I'm not feeling well.
Oh, what's going on?
Well, I have a nausea and also have a headache.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About 3 days now. 3 days now, and I'm really tired too.
It sounds like you got a stomachache. Take apa sih tadi obatnya ya? Promac.
Promac.
And, take a Promac every 3 times a day, and make sure you drink a lot of fluids and plenty of rest. And call me if you're still sick next week.
Okay, doctor. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Nenek, bergantian?
Gantian.
Ya, gantian. Siapa ini?
Apa gimana?
Kak Ai sama dokternya kakak Kitinya. Sakitnya sama. Kakak tadi sakit demam ya?
Oh iya, aku ya sakit ya. Oke.
Hi Nisa, how are you? How are you doing?
Hi doctor, I'm not feeling good.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, I have a bad cough and sore throat, and also I have a headache.
How long have you had these symptoms?
It's been 2 days, and I'm really so sick.
It sounds like you got the fever. Take aspirin and paracetamol every 3 times a day, and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink a lot of fluids. Call me if you still sick next week.
Thank you for your helping, doctor.
Okay, Nisa. Get well soon.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, that's great. That was the last group, I think. Itu terakhir kan tadi ya?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's group 6. Did somebody leave? I think somebody left. I don't see. Siapa nih yang leave? Miss Lareta ya?
Lareta ya.
Oh iya, tadi katanya lagi on the way. Yeah, okay. So, you guys are doing really good for this meeting. Pokoknya kalau di compare to the previous meetings before, to the other 4 meetings, you guys are actually doing way better. The way you talk, the way you pronounce some words, and what is it? Kalau apa sih itu namanya? Nggak terlalu kaku lagi. Kalau dulu, kalau kemarin-kemarin itu kan masih kaku ya, masih kadang masih berkata-kata. And now you guys are actually gaining the confidence to actually started speaking up, because you guys started talking or speaking English in the chat, in the WhatsApp chat, or in here. That's really good, and that really helps a lot to actually not speak. Nggak berbicaranya tuh jadi nggak terpatah-patah gitu. That's really nice. I can see all the progress to each person here. Okay, so next I'm gonna discuss a little bit about the diseases here, tentang penyakit-penyakitnya. So here's, can you see the share screen, the whiteboard here? Oh no, not the whiteboard yet. I'm gonna show. Okay, where is it? Here. It was 27. Terlalu kecil ini ya?
Yes.
Better? Okay, so it's on the 27. So what seems to be the problem? Ada beberapa yang menyingkat jadi what's the problem? Good. Or you can say what's going on? What is happening? Ya, you can see that in another ebook. Ada ebooknya satu lagi, itu juga banyak contohnya untuk menanyakan what seems to be the problem. Apa sih masalahnya gitu? Bisa juga bilangnya what's the problem gitu. And then I have a bad cough. Ini dibacanya cough. Ya, cough. Ini batuk. Cough. Batuk. Terus juga tadi sore, no, not sore. Gastrics. Gastric is actually stomach atau perut, gastricnya sendiri. Kalau misalnya kita nggak tahu nih apa sih kita mau ngomong mah tuh apa sih gitu. You can say gastric pain. Ya, gastric pain. Nah, nanti dikasih tahu dokternya, oh you have gastritis. You have gastritis. Ini kayak emahnya. Ini baru sakitnya, sakit yang ada di dalam perutnya. Ya, yang biasanya bagian atas tuh yang bagian mah. Nah, itu disebutnya gastritis. Tuh. And then paracetamol itu sebenarnya bisa untuk apa namanya, untuk apa aja sih, karena paracetamolnya sendiri itu adalah untuk mengurangi sakit.
Nyeri.
Ya, itu mengurangi rasa sakit, hanya mengurangi nyeri. Terus juga tadi ada yang mau ngomong tentang cabut gigi. Ya, cabut gigi itu tooth extraction.
Cabut gigi itu.
Ya.
Tooth extraction.
Nah, tapi kalau misalnya kamu harus cabut gigi, you have to have your tooth extracted. Agak panjang, ya. You have to have your tooth extracted. Kalau mau ngomongnya, kamu harus dicabut giginya. Kalau misalnya tadi sudah lumayan benar, tapi agak sedikit kebalik ya. Kalau misalnya you have to extract your tooth, that means you have to do it by yourself. Kalau misalnya bilangnya you have to extract your tooth, itu artinya kamu harus cabut gigi kamu sendiri. Nah, sedangkan giginya itu perlu dicabut. Oleh siapa? By professional. So you can say you have to have your tooth extracted gitu. Agak panjang, memang agak susah. Tapi itu kalau mau ngomong gigi kamu harus dicabut. You have to have your tooth to be extracted. Kalau mau bilang gigi kamu harus dicabut. Tapi kalau cabut giginya sendiri bisa dibilang tooth extraction. Oh, I'm gonna have the tooth extraction. I'm gonna have my tooth to be extracted by the doctor, gitu. And then about what else? I forgot. Headache. Nah, tadi headache bukan headache, ya, not with C, not with C, but with ache. Headache.
Headache.
Cara bacanya seperti ini kan, tulisannya gini.
Headache.
Cara bacanya gini. Headache. 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 Atau juga ada stomachache gitu. Ya. Atau kalau misalnya mau bilang ke dokternya, aduh perut saya sakit, my stomach hurts, juga boleh. Oh, you seem like it sounds like you have gastritis, bisa gitu. Perut saya sakit dok. Oh, mungkin mungkin mah gitu kan, gastritis. And then symptoms. Nah, this is how you pronounce symptoms. Symptoms itu seperti dibacanya seperti ini. Ini E-nya kebalik, bukan symptom, tapi dibacanya E, ini pakai E. Symptoms. Kalau ada S-nya jadi symptoms, tapi kalau no S, symptom. Kenapa ini pakai S symptoms-nya? Karena disebutnya banyak nih kan. Gejalanya ada bad cough, sore throat, atau headache. Ada 3. Jadi yang dipakai itu symptoms. Tapi kalau cuma nyebutin satu, biasanya gejala itu kan tidak satu ya. Gejala itu kan pasti lebih dari satu. Jadi symptoms. Ya, ini dibacanya symptoms, bukan symptoms, tapi symptoms. Ini dibacanya symptoms. Ya. Nah, and then about 3 days. Oke, terus tadi ada yang bilang 1 week. 1 week itu pakai S nggak sih? Oke, you have 2 options to say a week or 1 week. Jadi kalau cuma satu berarti nggak perlu pakai S. Kecuali misalnya 2 weeks ada S-nya. 3 weeks gitu. Sama seperti days ya. 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Tapi kalau cuma hanya sehari bisa dibilangnya a day. Ya, a day. Kalau seminggu a week atau 1 minggu. Kalau 1 bulan a month. Kalau 1 tahun a year. Kalau 1 dekade, a decade. Kalau 100 tahun, a century. For 2 decades, berarti 20 tahun ada S-nya. 2 karena ada 2. 2 decades, 2 years, 2 months, 2 days, 2 hours. Sama seperti menit dan juga jam. Kalau 1 menit, a minute. Ya, 1 minute. Kalau 1 jam atau sejam, an hour. An hour. Ya, pakai an hour gitu. And then the get well soon. Get well soon-nya juga tadi nggak sepatah-patah. Kalau kemarin-kemarin kalau mau bilang apa namanya di akhir itu biasa suka patah-patah. Tadi get well soon-nya juga udah lumayan bagus karena memang sering digunakan ya. Jadi get well soon atau juga kadang bilangnya get well very soon. Ini yang paling mudahnya. Get well very soon, get speedy recovery atau speedy recovery.
Very soon.
Nah, ini salah. Recovery. Nah, speedy recovery itu juga maksudnya cepat sembuh gitu ya. Tapi karena lebih banyak dipakai dan lebih mudah dihafal itu adalah get well soon. Ya, kalian bisa kalian ngomongnya get well soon aja, nggak apa-apa. Get well soon, semoga cepat sembuh. Nah, kan biasanya ngomong itu kan dokter kan, get well soon gitu. Thank you dog, have a nice day gitu. Nah, gitu ya. Nah, terus tadi ini ada apa aja sih penyakitnya itu? Ada tadi stomachache, ya kan? Stomachache, ada toothache, sore throat, sakit tenggorokan, cough, batuk, headache, sakit kepala. And then what else? Earache. Earache. Sakit telinga. Ya, earache. Terus apalagi misalnya yang lebih sering.
Gastric.
Ya, gastric pains boleh. Gastric pains.
Fever.
Ya, fever. Terus apalagi?
Nauseous. Mual.
Mual? What is mual? How do you what is it? How do you spell it? Tahu nggak gimana cara spellingnya?
Nauseous.
Okay, good. Jadi A or E?
Iya, E.
E.
O
O.
U S.
US, oke, nauseous. Nauseous ini mual ya, yang artinya kayak mau muntah. Nah, itu juga bisa masuk ke bagian stomachache atau gastric pain juga bisa. Tapi biasanya kalau ada rasa mual atau apa, biasanya my stomach hurts, I got a stomachache, bisa juga ngomongnya gitu. Terus kira-kira apa lagi? Ini yang lebih sering ya. Tadi kalau stomachache apa sih? Sakit perut.
Sakit perut.
Sakit gigi. Kenapa kalau toothache ini pakai O, double O? Kenapa nggak teeth? Kalau teeth itu kan giginya lebih dari satu. Kalau tooth itu giginya cuma satu. Kenapa sih cuma satu giginya gitu? Karena memang kalau sakit gigi itu biasanya kendalanya di satu gigi gitu kan. Jadi ini generalnya jadi toothache. Seperti itu. And sore throat, sakit tenggorokan. And cough itu adalah batuk, headache, kepala, earache, sakit telinga. Misalnya telinganya sakit nih ya. Biasanya kan suka kalau habis pesawat atau apa itu kan sakit. Earache. And gastric pain juga, it's the same with the stomachache. And fever, what is fever? Demam. And nauseous itu adalah mual. Seperti itu. Oke, sampai sini ada yang ditanyakan nggak tentang penyakit?
Darah rendah kayak mana, Miss?
Kalau rendah low blood pressure.
Oh, beda sama anemia beda ya, Miss?
Beda. Kalau low blood pressure itu memang tekanan darahnya rendah. Misalnya habis lagi ditensi, your blood, you have low blood pressure, tekanan darah kamu rendah sekarang. Gitu. Kalau penyakit anemianya itu adalah anemianya itu adalah penyakitnya, nama penyakitnya.
Hemoglobinnya.
Kurang darah.
Anemia, ya, atau kurang darah. Gitu. Ini kalau yang ini kan hanya yang sering banget ya, pastikan kalau misalnya ke dokter pastikan gini, ada aja pasti apakah kepalanya sakit, giginya sakit, telinganya atau bagian yang lainnya sakit, itu biasanya ditanyanya kan hanya sekitar physically ini yang paling sering ditanyakan. What about your head? What about your head? Your stomach, your throat? Apalagi kalau ke THT, pasti yang ditanya ear, throat, and mouth, ya kan? Telinga, hidung, tenggorokan. Itu yang biasanya. What about your nose? Biasanya yang sering ditanya tuh adalah hal-hal yang kayak gini. Gitu. So, do you have any questions?
Kalau gini, Miss, gejala sepertinya gejala mah atau gejala jantung itu gimana tuh? Symptoms.
Symptoms. Oke, jadi gejala itu kan kita ditanya pasti kan, merasa apa sih? Misalnya I get tired easily gitu. Saya merasa sangat lelah dengan cepat gitu. Saya cepat lelah gitu kan. And my hands are sweaty, always sweaty, selalu berkeringat. Itu yang namanya gejala tuh kayak gitu. Selalu berkeringat, selalu cepat lelah. Mungkin detak jantung selalu berdebar-debar. My heart beats really fast, ya, beats fast. Jadi maksudnya berdegup ya atau berdetak, itu bisa disebutnya beats. My heart beats really fast. Detak jantung saya berdebar sangat cepat. Itu bisa pakai beats, berdebar, berdegup itu beats. Heart beats fast. Jadi kalau dengar lagu nih, kalau ada kata heartbeat atau heart beats fast, itu artinya degupan jantung atau jantung berdegup kencang gitu. Nanti it sounds like you have, sepertinya kamu punya gitu, kamu sepertinya you have a heart attack atau apa. Kalau heart attack itu adalah serangan jantung ya. Heart attack itu yang si serangannya itu yang ketika tiba-tiba berserangan itu yang namanya disebut heart attack gitu. Any other question? Ya, heart attack.
Heart attack.
Kalau heartbeat itu detak jantung. Let me check your heartbeat. Maksudnya, diperiksa dulu detak jantungnya seperti itu.
Headache.
Bukan headache lagi ya, tapi headache. Bukan stomach, lagi, tapi stomachache. Stomachache. Ya, stomachache. Ache. Ini karena dari
Stomachache.
belakangnya tuh ache. Jadi stomachache. Headache.
Stomachache.
Toothache.
Stomachache.
Ya, earache.
Iya.
Jadi harus berani monyong-monyong kalau bahasa Inggris.
Stomachache.
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 Toothache. Toothache.
Earache.
Iya.
Nah, kalau throat jangan throat ya.
Throat.
Jangan throat. Kalau throat itu nanti beda artinya. Dibacanya lidahnya agak digigit. Throat.
Throat.
Throat. Enggak throat. Tapi ya agak namanya throat. Throat. Lower throat. Sama seperti bilang three. Three. Ini bukan tree. Kalau tree itu artinya pohon. Ya. Three. Apa ya kalau di bahasa Arab? Three. Kayak ho ada ho-nya. Ini ada t-nya. Ada airflow-nya. Three. Beda ucapan dia. Throat three. There are three. Gitu. Three. There. Throat three. Kalau lebih sering diucapkan pasti bisa. Karena kalau tree, jadi ada bedanya. Ada tree, ini tree atau tree, pohon. Kalau ini three. Makanya dia pakai H di sini. Lidahnya artinya digigit. Three. Kayak gitu. Terus sering dilatih gini. Three. Ya, sangat sering dilatih kalau itu. Oke. So, any other question? Ada lagi pertanyaan yang lain?
Miss, ini di luar materi, Miss mau nanya.
Oh, ya, oke.
Miss, Benetton itu dibacanya kayak mana sih? Benetton, gimana?
Benetton apa?
Merek itu, branded itu.
Ya, itu ada yang bilang Benetton, ada yang Benetton juga. Tapi lebih sering Benetton. Yang kalau merek perfume itu ya.
Benetton yang sebenarnya.
Ya, Benetton.
Oke, Miss.
Okay, any other questions?
Miss,
Yes?
I have a question. Miss, minggu depan naik kelas ya, Miss?
No, not next week. In 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Ya, dan masih
ini baru kelima kita.
Iya, kita baru kelima. Jadi minggu ini sama minggu depan selesai yang level ini nanti baru di bulan Oktober. Jadi in 2 weeks.
Oh, I see. Thank you,
Itu
Miss.
yang tebal itu masih dipakai, Miss, buku itu ya?
Iya, kalau itu masih
Ada kita pakai nanti.
masih panjang, itu bisa sampai berbulan-bulan dipakainya. Jadi pakai itu nanti, kecuali yang tentang grammarnya. Jadi nanti in next week, not next week, in the next level, we're not only practicing the conversations, tapi kita juga belajar sedikit tentang grammar. Walaupun memang grammar itu istilahnya orang bilang nggak penting, yang penting kita sama-sama ngerti, tapi kita tetap harus tahu. Karena grammarnya itu nanti juga bisa kita nih lagi ngomongin apa sih? Kita ngomongin apa yang udah kejadian, apa yang emang lagi kejadian atau yang akan kejadian. Iya, seenggaknya kita tahu basicnya. Dan aku udah ada bukunya, nanti aku kirim kalau memang yang mau lanjut. Nanti bisa ditunggunya sampai akhir bulan. Jadi masih sampai minggu depan.
Oke, Miss.
Ya.
Oke, Miss.
Any other question?
Ready, Miss.
Nggak ada, Miss.
Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing the screen. Okay, so hold up. Okay, Alhamdulillah, sudah selesai untuk pertemuan hari ini. Let's take a picture. As always, we haven't taken a picture. Okay, so get ready.
I'm ready, Miss. I'm ready.
Okay, sebentar. Miss Sarah, Priani, and Putri, can you turn your camera, please? Turn on your camera.
Wait, I miss my hijab.
Okay. Sebentar, kita tunggu Miss Sarah ya. She's taking her hijab.
Di jamnya ketinggalan Miss Sarah ya.
Tapi aku seneng loh, soalnya kalian jadi sebenarnya memang benar-benar progresnya kalau dibanding dari yang pertama ya. Kalau kalian lihat video kalian sendiri nih, pasti beda deh cara ngomongnya ya kan. Jadi
Iya.
Lebih
apa
berani
sih
sekarang ya.
namanya? Iya,
Lebih pede Miss.
Confident, lebih
Lebih pede
confident.
Miss.
lebih pede, lebih luas.
lebih luas
Oh, lebih
ngomongnya
luas.
Lebih berani.
Iya, lebih berani.
Berani
Kalau
ngomong.
mama kan nanti ngomongnya waktu itu yang misalnya I
Lebih lepas
have,
ngomongnya.
Yes, iya lebih lepas, lebih luas.
Yes.
I'm really glad.
Thank
Walaupun
you,
memang
Miss.
sudah ada
Thank
yang
you Miss.
sebenarnya kan dari kalian
Berani
sendiri juga
salah
ya,
nih.
saling membantu. Oke, let's
Saling
take
support.
picture. 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bye.
See you next.
Good night.